Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. And today is gonna be an iPhone unboxing video. Usually every year when the iPhone comes out, it's around my birthday, so it's my birthday present to myself. I'm currently recording on my new phone, but I also bought my mom one, so we're gonna unbox hers. This is my old iPhone 11 Pro that I've already set up, so I've erased everything and cut it off, and I will be sending it back to I have Sprint. Sprint is terrible service, but I do have Sprint. So I'll be sending it back to them because I do the lease every year, where when you want to upgrade you can, and you just send them the phone back. So this phone is going back. I'll put that over there. And like I said, this is my mom's phone. I got her the blue one. This is my phone. I got the gold one. So yeah. So we both got the 12 Pro, 128 gigabytes, and I'm gonna open it and take it out. Okay, I like this. I put on Twitter that this is how the iPhone 5 used to look. It's just a little bit bigger, but it's that same like frame that they used to have, and the phone is a little bit thicker. I don't want to take the top off because she doesn't have a screen protector yet, but it's any other type of phone, and it's just this pretty blue, what is it, Pacific blue color that they have. And inside the box, like they told you guys, there's no charging port or headphones. It's just the charging cable and your phone. We have plenty of headphones and little ports in the wall, so we really didn't need it at all. But yeah, I've transferred everything onto my phone. It's great. I'm happy with it. It's just like any other iPhone, but that's just how it looks. And thank you guys for checking out my video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.